So in this video we will be building two simple programs on while loop, which we already did while we were learning the for loop. So basically those will be getting the even numbers and the odd numbers starting from 0 to any number, basically whatever the user gives as an input. So yeah, this should make you fairly comfortable with while loop. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so first let's do the odd numbers. So since we know that odd numbers would start from 1 and then 3, 5, 7, so basically they have an interval of 2. So 1 plus 2 5, 1 plus 2 3, then 3 plus 2 5, 7, and so on. So what we want to do first, let's get the user input and convert it into an int. Let's give the prompt saying enter the number, and then once we have this, let's have an iterator named timer, and then let's set it to 1 since we will be starting from a 1 since it's odd. And then we're going to want to start the while loop and then give this condition: this is greater less than or equal to user. So basically what I'm trying to say is that this would run till this timer would be less than or equal to user. Okay, the moment this timer is more than user, this condition would become false and then the while loop would stop. And then what we want to do, we want to print the timer. So at this moment if I run, it's going to go on for forever, but what we want to do, each time it runs we want to increase the value of timer, and then the way we want to increase it, it's going to be timer equals timer plus 2, because we want all the odd numbers, and then as I've said, they have an interval of 2, so this should be good. Now when we run, first it asks for the number, let's say 8, and then we have 1357. Let's run it again. Let's give something a bit bigger, 23. So it gave 1357, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. So that's for the odd numbers. Now for the even ones, all we need to do is remove this 1 and then just add 0. So it's going to start from 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So if we run, if we write 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video we will be looking into the list, tuples, and dictionary, how to use those with while loop, how to insert new items and stuff, and how to iterate through them. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't, and if you like this video, please like. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching.